Welcome back to Quizbits channel.
Are you ready for an amazing Earth and nature quiz challenge? We have 60 mind-blowing questions lined up today.
Before starting, please subscribe to the Quizbits channel for more exciting quizzes.
Starting with easy level. Let's see how many you can get right. Which country looks like a boot on a map? Spain, Italy, France, Japan? Spot on. It's Italy. What is the biggest volcano on Earth? Mount Fuji, Mauna Loa, Mount Vesuvius, Krakatoa? Bingo. It's Mauna Loa. What color is a hippo's sweat? Blue, pink, green, yellow. Wow. It's pink. Where is the coldest place on Earth? Iceland, Antarctica, Greenland, Canada? Yes. It's Antarctica. Which river has the most dangerous piranha? Nile River, Amazon River, Mississippi, Danube. That's right. It's the Amazon River. What glows in the dark inside dark caves? Glowworms, lava, gold, diamonds? Amazing. It's glowworms. What are thunderclouds called? Stratus, cumulonimbus, cirrus, fog? Correct. They are cumulonimbus. Which continent has no wild snakes? Australia, Antarctica, Europe, Africa? Good one. It's Antarctica. What is molten rock called before it shoots out of a volcano? Lava, magma, ash, basalt? Exactly. It's magma. Which island is home to lemur? Hawaii, Madagascar, Bali, Iceland? Perfect. It's Madagascar. What causes sea tides on Earth? The sun, the moon's gravity, wind, earthquakes? Yes. It's the moon's gravity. Which tree is the tallest living thing on Earth? Oak, redwood, pine, baobab. Right. It's the redwood. Where is the Great Barrier Reef? Brazil, Australia, Mexico, India? Awesome. It's Australia. What layer of Earth do we walk on? Mantle, crust, core, magma? Spot on. It's the crust. Which famous waterfall falls between USA and Canada? Niagara Falls, Angel Falls, Victoria Falls, Iguazu Falls. Bingo. It's Niagara Falls. What is salt ocean water called? Freshwater, saline water, distilled water, rainwater. That's right. It's saline water. Which desert is famous for giant sand dunes and camels? Sahara, Gobi, Mojave, Atacama. Yes. It's the Sahara. What makes Earth's sky look blue? Oxygen, nitrogen scattering light, carbon, hydrogen. Nice. It's nitrogen scattering light. What giant hole in Arizona was carved by a river? Grand Canyon, Death Valley, Blue Hole, Cave of Crystals. Correct. It's the Grand Canyon. What soft mineral is used to make baby powder? Diamond, talc, quartz, gold. Perfect. It's talc. Now things are getting trickier. Welcome to medium level. Let's test your real Earth knowledge. Where is the famous Blood Falls, Red Waterfall located? Iceland, Antarctica, Russia, Norway. Bingo. It's in Antarctica. Which lake turns animals into stone due to high salt? Lake Natron, Lake Baikal, Lake Superior, Dead Sea? Wow. It's Lake Natron. Which forest has trees that look like upside-down roots? Amazon, Socotra, Black Forest, Daintree? Spot on. It's Socotra. What causes the door to Hell gas crater to burn? Volcano, natural gas fire, lightning, meteor? Exactly. It's a natural gas fire. Which country has a beach with glowing blue water? Maldives, Canada, UK, Germany. Awesome. It's the Maldives. What causes rocks in Death Valley to move by themselves? Wind and thin ice, aliens, earthquakes, magnets. Mind-blowing. It's wind and thin ice. Where is the cave of giant crystals located? Mexico, China, Egypt, Brazil. That's right. It's in Mexico. What is the pink lake in Australia called? Lake Hillier, Lake Victoria, Lake Michigan, Lake Titicaca? Yes. It's Lake Hillier. Which tree trunk can store thousands of liters of water? Baobab, banyan, willow, birch. Good one. It's the Baobab. What is the underwater sinkhole in Belize called? Great Blue Hole, Mariana Hole, Devil's Pit, Ocean Cave? Perfect. It's the Great Blue Hole. Where are Rainbow Mountains found? China, France, Canada, Japan? Correct. They are in China. Which island is home to dragon's blood trees? Socotra Island, Madagascar, Galapagos, Tasmania? Spot on. It's Socotra Island. What strange shape is Saturn's North Pole storm? Circle, hexagon, triangle, square? Bingo. It's a hexagon. Which sea has no shores or coastline? Sargasso Sea, Red Sea, Black Sea, Baltic Sea? Amazing. It's the Sargasso Sea. What makes the chocolate hills in Philippines brown? Mud, dried grass in dry season, chocolate rocks, volcanic dust? Yes. It's dried grass in dry season. Which dessert is covered in a giant white salt crust? Salar de Uyuni, Sahara, Gobay, Kalahari? Right. It's Salar de Uyuni. What are frozen bubble lakes in Canada filled with? Methane gas, oxygen, soapy water, air bubbles? Exactly. It's methane gas. Where does Catatumbo lightning strike up to 280 times an hour? Venezuela, Brazil, India, Kenya? That's right. It's in Venezuela. Where do wild flamingos get their eating pink shrimp and algae, sunburn, flowers, berries? Nice. It's eating pink shrimp and algae. Which country has a river made of 5 different colors? Colombia, Brazil, India, Kenya? Awesome. It's Colombia. Awesome work getting this far. Now for the final round hard level. Only true Earth experts can get these right. Are you ready? Which continent is actually a giant frozen desert? Antarctica, Europe, Asia, North America? Bingo. It's Antarctica. What causes green sand beaches in Hawaii? Olivine crystals, green seaweed, copper rocks, glass? Spot on. It's olivine crystals. What is the deepest hole ever dug by humans on Earth? Kola Superdeep Borehole, Mariana Pit, Grand Canyon Hole, Diamond Mine? Incredible. It's the Kola Superdeep Borehole. Where can you see an underwater waterfall illusion? Mauritius, Hawaii, Maldives, Fiji? It's in Mauritius. What causes fire rainbows in the sky? Sunlight through ice crystals, burning clouds, volcanic smog, hot air. Correct. It's sunlight through ice crystals. Where is Point Nemo, the most remote spot on Earth? Pacific Ocean, Atlantic Ocean, Indian Ocean, Arctic Ocean. That's right. It's in the Pacific Ocean. What is the center of Earth mostly made of? Solid iron and nickel, water, burning gas, liquid gold? Exactly. It's solid iron and nickel. Which mountain peak is closest to outer space? Mount Chimborazo, Everest, K2, Kilimanjaro. Mind-blowing. It's Mount Chimborazo. What mineral causes red soil on Earth and Mars? Iron oxide, rust, clay, copper, sulfur? Perfect. It's iron oxide rust. Where are the oldest rocks on Earth found? Canadian Shield, Amazon, Himalayas, Sahara? Good one. They are in the Canadian Shield. What is Pitch Lake in Trinidad filled with? Natural asphalt, boiling oil, black ink, liquid chocolate? Spot on. It's natural asphalt. Which place receives no rain for millions of years? Dry valleys in Antarctica, Sahara, Death Valley. Wow. It's the dry valleys in Antarctica. What causes morning glory roll? Clouds in Australia. Sea breeze collision, tornadoes, dust storms, volcanic gas. Yes. It's sea breeze collision. What is the largest living organism network on Earth? Pando tree roots, blue whale, giant tortoise, redwood tree? Awesome. It's Pando tree roots. Which desert displays blue sand dunes during sunset? Namib Desert, Atacama, Sahara, Gobi. Right. It's the Namib Desert. Which layer protects Earth by burning up space rocks? Mesosphere, troposphere, crust, ozone layer. Correct. It's the mesosphere. What glows pink inside Kenya's Lake Natron? Salt-loving bacteria and algae, paint, neon fish, pink coral. Bingo. It's salt-loving bacteria and algae. Which mountain range glows red/orange at sunset? The Dolomites, Kilimanjaro, Fuji, K2. Nice. It's the Dolomites. What natural event creates glass tubes in desert sand? Lightning striking sand, extreme heat, wind, volcanic ash. That's right. It's lightning striking sand. Where is the world's largest underground cave room? Malaysia, USA, Vietnam, China? Perfect. It's in Malaysia. What a journey! How many questions did you answer correctly? Drop your score in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon on Quizbits for more fun quizzes. See you next time.
Thanks for watching.